Our story begins centuries ago, in the bustling marketplaces and bazaars of ancient civilizations. People have been engaging in trade and commerce since the dawn of time, but it wasn't until the 20th century that a significant shift occurred. The advent of technology paved the way for a new era of commerce. Fast forward to the 1970s and 80s, when the foundation of modern e-commerce was laid. It was during this time that the first online transactions took place. Companies like CompuServe and Minitel introduced online shopping and electronic messaging systems, revolutionizing the way people interacted and conducted business. The 1990s marked a turning point in e-commerce history. Internet usage exploded, and pioneers like Amazon and eBay emerged, reshaping the landscape of online commerce. Amazon started as an online bookstore and quickly expanded its offerings, while eBay revolutionized the concept of online auctions, connecting buyers and sellers from all over the world. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. In the early 2000s, the dot-com bubble burst, shaking the e-commerce industry to its core. Many startups failed, and investor confidence wavered. However, those who weathered the storm emerged stronger and more resilient, laying the groundwork for future innovations. The 2010s witnessed the rise of mobile commerce, or m-commerce, fueled by the rapid proliferation of smartphones. With the introduction of mobile apps and optimized websites, consumers could shop anytime, anywhere, with just a few taps on their screens. Companies like Alibaba and JD.com in China became global powerhouses, showcasing the immense potential of m-commerce. Today, e-commerce has become an integral part of our lives. The COVID-19 pandemic further accelerated its growth, as lockdowns and social distancing measures prompted a surge in online shopping. Companies like Shopify and Etsy empowered individuals to start their own online businesses, democratizing entrepreneurship like never before. Looking to the future, emerging technologies hold tremendous promise for e-commerce. Artificial intelligence and machine learning enable personalized recommendations and enhanced customer experiences. Augmented reality allows consumers to visualize products before making a purchase, bridging the gap between online and offline shopping. And blockchain technology offers secure and transparent transactions, building trust in the digital marketplace. As we wrap up our journey through the history of e-commerce, one thing becomes clear: the potential for growth and innovation is limitless. With each passing year, new ideas, technologies, and consumer demands will shape the future of digital commerce. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey through the evolution of e-commerce. We hope you enjoyed learning about the milestones and advancements that have brought us to where we are today. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.